Are you tired of those annoying ads constantly popping up on your mobile device? Stick around, because in this video, I'll show you exactly how to get rid of them once and for all. I'll be demonstrating with two powerful apps, one to block ads from appearing and another to remove the ones already cluttering your device. Watch this video until the end and you'll have the tools you need to enjoy an ad-free experience on your device. For this demonstration, I'll be removing both apps from my mobile device to start fresh. Then, I'll guide you step by step on how to download and install them so you can easily set them up yourself. Now, let's head over to Chrome and search for Lite APKs. Once you're on the Lite APK site, search for Android Assistant and download it. Wait for the download to complete. After that, search for AdGuard and follow the prompts to install it on your device. Once the installation begins, let it finish. And you'll be ready to move on to the next steps. Now that we've successfully installed both apps, let's start with Android Assistant. This app is fantastic because it provides a clear overview of all the apps on your device and identifies any potentially infected ones before you install them. Here's an example to show you exactly how it works. The app that's infected with either a virus or excessive ads is the 61.1 app. Here's why: it doesn't have an APK icon, which is a clear sign that it's a fake app. Fortunately, I haven't installed it yet. Now, we need to remove it. Always remember, if an app doesn't have an icon, it's not legitimate. Avoid installing it and delete it immediately to protect your device. That wraps it up for Android Assistant. The app offers a wide range of useful features, but as always, be cautious when deleting anything. Double check to ensure you're removing the right files, whether they are apps, pictures, or videos. Now, let's set up AdGuard for the ultimate ad-free experience. Start by allowing notifications and checking all the necessary boxes. Next, create a local VPN, confirm its creation, and that's it. Step 1 is complete. All you have to do now is follow along with the steps and enable your protection. This will ensure that your device stays secure and free from those annoying ads or potential threats. Taking a few moments to complete this setup will save you from a lot of frustration in the long run, so make sure you don't skip this important step. Once you're done, you can enjoy a smoother, hassle-free experience on your mobile device. The app will function perfectly fine without enabling the HTTPS filtering, but I personally prefer to have it enabled to achieve the best possible results. By enabling this feature, you ensure that the app can provide maximum protection and block ads more effectively. If you'd like to get the most out of the app, follow along with the next steps to enable HTTPS filtering and take your experience to the next level. Our next step is downloading the CA certificate. Once the download is complete, I'll head back to the home screen, swipe up on my Samsung device to access the search bar, and type in install from device storage. It's time to set up the filters. Take your time enabling everything to ensure maximum protection and the best ad blocking experience. This step is key to keeping your device secure and ad-free, so make sure to go through it carefully. We are done with the filters, and the very last step is to lock everything in an enabled state. To do this, I'll swipe up on my Android device to access the search bar, navigate to my VPN settings. Wait for it to load up. Once we are in, select VPN, AdGuard, and set the VPN to always on. This ensures your protection stays active at all times. If you followed along with every step, your device is now fully optimized and you can finally enjoy it the way it's meant to be, ad-free and hassle-free. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It's completely free, but it helps me out more than you know. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay awesome and keep your devices running smoothly.